Drywise is an accessory for 3D printing machine. Its purpose is to increase the reliability and quality of every 3D print, and it is meant for really professional and industrial use cases. The problem we're solving is that some of the materials take in environmental humidity, and when they're printed they would lose the actual material properties and integrity. Today, users need to dry material before 3D printing for tens of hours, and they still don't know the quality they're going to achieve. What our machine allows is just within 50 minutes to be prepared, feed it into the 3D printer, and then it is pre-processed just in time when you're 3D printing, achieving the best quality each and every time. Drywise is already on the market, and we have some amazing use cases. For instance, a drone production company in Germany needed to print a critical part for their drone when they were prototyping it. Imagine a 25-kilo machine in the air. If any of its parts is failing, it would be just falling on your head. With Drywise, we were able to change their 3D printing process so that each and every time they get the best quality out of it. Secondly, we have a reseller in Turkey who is printing a lot of material, and one machine is allowing them to save 12,000 euro per year, just because they used to throw out the material that was too wet to print, and with Drywise they now can regenerate it fully.